Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool corkboard push-pin map. So this is one I made of the US, and now I'm going to make one for the international map. So I bought this at Walmart, really cheap, only $9. You know, you can pick this up, 2-foot by 3-foot oak frame, nice map. And you can pick up also at Walmart a $5 2-foot by 3-foot map as well. I bought these online just because I wanted a kind of different design. This one has highways, and then this one's a little more detailed. But yeah, you could get the whole thing, $9 plus $5, $14 for a nice push pin map. So let's get into it. How do we do this? First, you're gonna wanna open this up. So all you need to do this is a corkboard, the map, and some scissors. That's all you're gonna need. No glue, no tape, no nothing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna trim down. You're gonna trim down this map so that you can just slide under the map under this corkboard. And then yeah, once you put your pins in there, it'll be secure. But yeah, so you have a 1-inch frame here. So you want to cut off 3/4 to 7/8. I'm going to cut off 7/8 of an inch here, so you just leave 1/8 of an inch to slide under there. And that'll make it easy to put it in. Because this one I did like 3/4 of an inch, and it was pretty hard to put in there. I actually had to use some double-sided tape right there. Okay, so let's get to it. So I already measured, and 7/8 is right about there. So I'm going to just cut that on all sides. Okay, so there you have it. And now, what you're going to want to do is try to push it underneath all the edges there. So, okay, so just to reiterate, all you need is a map, corkboard, and some scissors. That's all you need for this project. Very simple. If you go online, I'll share links to these actual maps if you want them. But yeah, at Walmart you can buy a world map, $5, that's $5. It's rolled up, so it's good to kind of flatten it out for a couple days or something, so it's a little, doesn't want to shrink up on you. Okay, so now that we have it, what you're going to want to do is start just with one edge. And what I'm going to start with is, and this gets tricky in the corners. So my advice is to get it in one corner. Get it in the other corner and slide it up. Okay, you see how that corner's starting to go in? That's what you want. You want a corner to go in just like that. And just work it in. Work it in. Slowly start to work that in. Yeah, it might be helpful to have a little blade or something around. So that corner's good. So now we have this gap. We need to push down and push to the left. And there you have it. That's how you do it, just like that. World map. Ta-da! Okay, let's go get some push pins, huh? Okay, so we're gonna put some pins in. You can do different colors if you have like, if your wife's been there and or maybe you haven't been there, and then you could do different colors and another color if you've both been there. I'm just gonna put in places we've both been. We usually just do 1 pin per country and then 1 pin per state. and go like that. So we've been to Japan, Osaka is where my grandparents are. We've been to South Korea. We've been to a lot of countries in Europe. We've been to France. But we'll say we only maybe spent most of our time in France. And then we went to Switzerland, Germany, UK, Canada. I think that's pretty much it.
Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, and good luck and Godspeed.